Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's review, I wanted to give you two trade ideas into tomorrow, the first of which is here in the SPX. And, I don't know how Friday is going to trade for sure, but I know for sure that 4,500 has been a huge point of focus. So what you want to look at tomorrow morning is essentially maybe a couple of things here in the S&P. Remember that the cash market will have an options settlement tomorrow morning. So there are contracts that will be influenced by the settlement price that you get kind of just a few minutes after these cash markets open. Then there is another set of them that will expire at the end of the day off of those closing prices. That is to say, I wouldn't be surprised to see that we were down a little bit overnight. Let the settlement price be somewhere near the 4,500. Friday during the day can do whatever it likes, and then at the end of the session, we're right back close to that 00 value. So if that is the kind of action that shows up, iron flies can be excellent strategies around that. You're essentially selling the 4,500 straddle, buying the protective wings, and then working to just sit there and be patient as the premium gets crushed out into the end of the day. On a monthly expiration or on such a huge psychological value, I have to at least mention that to you. Now, if the market instead ends up being continues to keep on being very strong because that is what it has been, well then I want to try to catch some bullish exposure in Nvidia. So Nvidia had a good run up into 500, and then from there, significant pullback, about $20 or so, and then you can see into the end of the day, 15-minute squeeze starts to fire, and really the reason why I think it could be meaningful into tomorrow, but then also into next week, is this 39-minute squeeze. So I believe that will be good for 500 tomorrow. If it opens at 500, that may not necessarily be helpful, but if you sit there and just consolidate all day at 500 and then you close there, I feel like there's a pretty good chance you go bid on Monday and maybe into Tuesday. If you can make some money directionally off that, I would then go totally flat into earnings and then start focusing on a volatility crush kind of play as opposed to the speculation into the number, which is what we've been talking about to this point. So I hope you find the review helpful. I hope you have a great monthly expiration, and we'll see you guys in the room again tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.